How to easily remove Steam Mobile Authenticator without phone. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to remove your Steam Mobile Authenticator without your phone. So all you have to do first is head straight into the login page of Steam's official website, which is going to be here. And next is choose this option here that says help I can't sign in. And then on the next page, choose on I deleted or lost my SteamGuard mobile authenticator. And then here you just need to input the email address that is associated to that account. Next on that is team will provide you a specific code that you need to input. You just have to check your email address and make sure that it is correct to confirm deletion of SteamGuard mobile authenticator. And that's it. Just simply follow on-screen prompts for you to completely delete it. And that's how easily you can remove Steam Mobile Authenticator without a phone.